Unlock the power of feedback with SurveyMonkey. Whether you are a business owner, student, or just someone eager to guide your opinions, our beginner-friendly guide will walk you through the simple steps to create effective surveys. Discover how to design engaging questions, analyze responses, and transform insights into action, all in just a few clicks, ready to harness the voice of your audience. Let's dive in. So first of all, hey guys, and welcome. In this video I will show you step by step how to use SurveyMonkey. So all you have to do right now is open your browser and dive into surveymonkey.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, what is SurveyMonkey? SurveyMonkey is an online platform that allows users to create, distribute, and analyze surveys. It provides a user-friendly interface for designing questionnaires, collecting responses, and generating reports, ideal for businesses, educators, and researchers. SurveyMonkey helps gather valuable feedback, insights, and data to inform decisions. With various templates and customizable options, it makes survey creation accessible even for beginners. So first of all, what you have to do is click over free registration or click over registering with his email address to get started. So once you do that, you will find this page. Let's get to know you. I'm using a SurveyMonkey for work, education, or personal, so you choose the one you are. Then you will find this page. What you want to do: first, start from scratch. Begin with a blank page or copy and paste a survey you have written. Then we have use a quick template. Use a template we have picked for you to create and send surveys faster. Then we have the last one, which is built with EA. Type or a short prompt. EA will create a tailored survey just for you. Once you're done with that, you have just to choose one of this one. Then you'll find this page. As you can see, you have your various information. So using SurveyMonkey as a beginner, it's straightforward. First, you have to sign up for an account, as I did, and then once you log on and click on the create survey button, you can either start from scratch or choose a template that fits your needs. Next, use the drag and drop editor to add various question types such as multiple choice or open-ended questions. Customize your survey by adjusting the theme and adding a title and description. After you have added all the questions, review your survey to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click on the Collect Responses tab to choose how you want to redistribute your survey via email, a link, or social media. Finally, after collecting responses, you can analyze the results using the built-in analytics tools, which provide insights to the data collected. With these steps, you'll be able to create and manage surveys effectively. So right now I will show you how you can do that. So here in the home page we have here three steps. The first one, add questions, then go to collect, then analyze your results. Then we have here design survey also. If you click over it, you can just click over create survey and you choose a starting point. For example, here we have start from scratch, copy an existing survey built with EA, pick a popular template, paste your content, build a target audience, and we have the last one, we use proven research methods. For example, I choose the first one. Then we have here this page, we have here settings, themes. So you add the logo first. So you upload the image here, and then you can also add a title, then description, and you click over save. So about this one, you have just to modify your position, also the size, actual size, small, medium, large. Then we have descriptive text also here, and then we have your logic also, build multiple choice, check boxes. As you can see under your question, multiple choice here also have drop down check boxes, start rating, best worst skill, and other things. Then we have your select type, true, false, high quality, approve, average, approve, disapprove, better, worse, always, never, easy, difficult, interested, not interested, a great deal, no one, familiar, say, agree, disagree, satisfied, dissatisfied, yes or no. And then you have here to add answer choice. You can also add 4, 5, and as you want. Then you have here score this question, added, use the previous answer. Then we have your display as comment, and also size here, how many characters, validation also here, and also you can add a new one of the above answer. You can also add points, have max here 9, and we have also here other things. You can just modify these things. Have logic here, options also, payment, quiz, survey title, exit link, progress bar, page titles, page numbers, question numbers, so, and then you have your question bank, recommended questions, previously used questions, all categories, community, customer feedback, customer satisfaction, demographic, education. Then we have your format, classic, one question at a time. Then we have conversation, and we have your paid, print also. And this is how it works. Then we have your collect response. How would you like to collect responses to your survey? We have the first ones to send surveys your way. Send your surveys by email, embed them on your website, share a link on social media or on our page, and more. Then we have your target your ideal respondents by responses from the right demographic on our global survey panel. SurveyMonkey audience get results in minutes. Then we have your analyze results. You have rules, saved views, exports, shared data, insights also. You can add a dashboard here, you can save also, and other things. So SurveyMonkey is a powerful tool for creating surveys with ease. To maximize your experience, focus on quality and questions, keep your survey concise, and target the right audience for your responses. Don't forget to test your survey before sharing it to catch any issues. Finally, regularly review analytics to gain valuable insights and improve future surveys. Happy surveying! So you can just get started right now, and this is how it works with SurveyMonkey.com, and you can get started right now. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful. See you again in the next video.